Few will know the burden we carry. This is no easy ride. A heavy load behind a long and winding road ahead. We carry our loads, day by day, turn by turn. We long for life's dearest moments, our loved ones, while never missing a delivery. You carry the burden of your commitments and responsibilities, upholding our company name, delivering the goods, whatever, come what may. While diesel fuels a million lonely miles, the little photo on the dashboard keeps you going. The burden may be heavy, but we are with you all the way. Together, we share the load. Full trucks, sharing the load.